Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav has been striking alliance deals ahead of the UP Assembly elections, and on Thursday he managed to persuade his estranged uncle Shivpal Singh Yadav to contest the elections in alliance with the Samajwadi Party. Akhilesh was in a meeting with Shivpal for close to half an hour. The duo later emerged together to pose for the camera. Akhilesh tweeted the picture with the caption, "Met the PSP president and discussed the alliance. SP is gaining in strength through alliances with regional outfits. We are heading towards a historical win in the polls." E. Sridharan, popularly known as Metro Man, has announced he is quitting active politics. This comes months after he had contested in Kerala's assembly elections from the Palakkad constituency on a BJP ticket but lost. E. Sridharan was even fielded by the BJP as the chief ministerial candidate. However, the party failed to win even one seat in the state. "I won't be in active politics. That time has passed. I haven't given up politics, but I'm no longer interested in running around. I'm at an advanced age of 90, he told the media. He also said that he had joined politics as a bureaucrat and not as a politician. The issue of Gurgaon's Muslims being stopped from offering namaz in open spaces, including government-owned land, every Friday for the past few months, reached the Supreme Court on Thursday after an ex-Rajya Sabha MP filed a petition. Ex-MP Mohammed Adib has moved the top court asking for action against Haryana officials, including the Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police, for failing to comply with earlier directions regarding measures to curb communal and violent sentiments that result in hate crimes. Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra on Thursday said that political parties in Punjab have raised concerns about misuse of money and distribution of liquor and drugs in the forthcoming assembly polls. The CEC made the remarks while addressing a press conference in Chandigarh after a high-level team of the Election Commission, including the election commissioners, held meetings over the past 2 days on the preparedness for the polls in Punjab. A day after India Test captain Virat Kohli triggered a storm by publicly contradicting him, BCCI President Sourav Ganguly refused to comment on the matter, saying that the board will deal with it. Kohli, during his pre-departure press conference ahead of the tour of South Africa, said that he was never asked to stay on as T20 skipper when he made his intent clear on relinquishing the post. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.